Yes, bitches! Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please.
You ready to fucking die?
No, yeah, I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
Hey, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
Who am I? Let's go to the beach. Beach. Ninky Minaj.
I do not associate with niggers.
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Oh. What are you... Oh, my name.
Don't you open up that window.
Sha, booyah, roll call. My name is
Satan.
My name's Becca, and I love God.
Hey, Darren. What's up, bitch? Stop. Bitch.
Hey, Tara, you want some? This bitch empty.
Wow.
You know what? I love myself. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
Hey, how y'all? Get your fucking dog, bitch! It don't bite. Yes, it do!
Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money.
Now I know I've got to run away.
Marge, here's his first words. Come on.
Vape.
No!
I'm gonna sing Cher Lloyd by Cher Lloyd or Rebecca G then. And don't forget all the trouble we got into.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
What do you mean?
Well, I was fucking one of yes.
Disgusting! Spider in your hand?
Yeah.
Say please.
Please. Yeah! That was legitness.
Yeah, it was. Huh?
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
Where's the fuck?
Give it to me, I'm
I get no sleep cause of y'all! Y'all not gonna get a sleep cause of me!
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
Honey, that's a flyer for lawn service.
Fuck, then let's go.
Put that candy back, I'm not buying you all that mess. Oh, try me, bitch.
Dude, I've heard rumours that these stairs are like haunted. Apparently some girl died here when she was like 9 or something.
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
Yes. All I want to tell you is school's not important. Be whatever you want to be. If you want to be a dog, roof, you know?
Panda. Panda, 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 panda. I get bros in Atlanta.
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
Where do babies get milk from?
Come from their penis. Hi, my name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow. Well, I'm a point guard. I got a shoe game, and
I'm friends with the mom. I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino white
Butterfly Bentley.
No! Bentley!
Yo. Never fuck Wayne, never fuck Jay.
Hi, my name is Paul. I am new to the single scene. I'm looking for a discreet relationship that...
What are you doing?
Did he bite you?
No.
Oh.
I want all these hoes to know that a real nigga just hit the dope. No more Versace, get off of my clothes.
If your name is Junior and you're really handsome, come on, raise your hand.
Give me your attention, baby.
All my life, man, fuck's sake. If I tell you I'm a non-sweat, I'ma let him eat my ass like a gun.
Where's the lizard?
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Not to be racist or anything, but Asian people.
Marlene, your speech was so good. Oh, like, didn't even like try. It was just like improv and.
Oh my god, why can't you just take the freaking compliment?
What was your favorite part about going to the doctor's office today?
When I threw it up on my jacket.
Nothing but bad bitches in here tonight. Bad bitches only.
Bad bitches who I fuck with. I like bad bitches cause they like bad bitches too.
I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem.
Why were you watching that?
Please don't tell Mom. Don't.
Hey, it's your boy, Skinny Penis.
How do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.